Good luck, driver.
Four-wheel drive, short course, mod, A main. Last day of the night. Last race of the night. Denmark out front, rolls it. Oh, all the way back to fourth. Jay gets it wrong. Back to third. I think that's Rohan. And oh, what's going on? What's going on? No, it's not Rohan. Rohan's Markman. Jay, what are you doing? What are you doing? He's wrecked 3 times in the first minute. Lead pack right here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I stand corrected. That's not the fast line. James in third. That's Sam out front. I didn't recognize the body. Hey, front straight, front straight. Sam out front. Denmark second. Tim Sajin in third. Jay in fourth. Steve fifth.
Cutting the trail, all clear. Leader, black and purple car.
Sam, Denmark, Jin, Jay, Steve. Denmark's looking for a way around. Can't get it done. He's gonna be there if it's a mistake though. Oh. Almost left enough room. That's alright to give the inside there because you're on the inside on the next one. Oh, but he got touched. Gets around him. Oh, Jay munches Sajin. Sam gets hung up all the way back to fourth. Oh, it just got ugly. Denmark out front. Jay all the way up to second. Sam back up into third. Jim rolls it. Steve, what's going on, man? You're faster than that. Denmark with the barrel roll.
You are about 7 seconds and a half. On the second place, take Rachel. The other side is the leader car.
That's the gap. Yellow truck's leader. Jay's in second. Got to keep it on the line. A little dusty off the line. Sam climbing the wall. Style points. Gonna let Sajin tighten up on him. Sajin gets Sam. No, Sam says I'm turning it on. Oh, it's about to be a race. Denmark, yes. Thanks, Steve. Good polite racing. Jay just gets in there. Oh. Jay gets around him ugly. Woo. Oh. Jay, what, you trying to turn into a quad? Alright, switching hands. Leader, Denmark, smooth. Jay, blazing fast, but a little sloppy.
He's 1.4 seconds.
Two different driving styles right there. You can watch the difference. First and second place coming up behind you, AC. AC, don't use the reverse, man. AC, don't back up in front of people, man. That's why you don't use reverse, man. Learning experience. Gonna let Denmark get a little space on Jay.
Yeah, so he's on the right side over the track. Denmark. He's a yellow and another star. That's a leader car. Denmark. 22 lap pace. Jay Draco.
Marco.
Second place.
Oh.
I got out of the way. He hit me.
Yeah. He was holding still. Jay ran it. Oh! Help him, Marshall. At least he did it to both. We'll call that even. Yeah, we gotta have a little drivers meeting. Remind everybody. Just don't get involved in the race. Place them where they crash. It's your leader. AC, that's the leader.
That's a leader.
Just pull off to the side and stop. Just pull off to the side. Just pull off to the side. You're missing your front tire, dude. Pull the truck, dude. You're missing your front tire.
Take it out. Leave it there. Hey, Rohan, leave it on the floor.
Just pull off to the side and stop and let him go.
Now, Jay Draco is on the lead. That's a blue another car is on the lead. Denmark right there. In second place.
First and second. About 45 seconds left. Oh, Denmark, did he cut out? What was that? Oh, no. Jay waiting. Could have been interesting. Still going to be interesting. 20 seconds left, plus or minus. Some of the closest racing of the night right here.
Hey guys,
winner.
You are done.
Second.
You are done.
I think Tim came in third. Steve fifth.
You are done.
Sam fourth.
Very good.
I think.
Guys.
I think.